So good afternoon. As discussed few days back, regarding there are changes by TRI in sender ID registration and all this. So I'll explain you the process of how to register yourself and register the sender ID. So first we need to open the platform called as trueconnect.geo.com. I will share this link in the text box. Okay, so once you open this, then you need to click as principal entity. So we need to register as an entity. So I'll click on this. Now here I need to click on new registration. We are new registration. Okay. Now are you already registered as a principal entity? Then click on no. It's a first time process. Okay. So now we need to fill in the details like authorized contact person. So you can mention your principal name or something. Principal name you can mention. So now organization name, enter your school name, organization category. So your non-government, organization type, let's say educational institute. Now here you enter the PAN or TAN number of the institute. So enter the PAN number. Okay. Then KYC document type. So here we can upload certificate of incorporation. So the trust incorporation certificate can be uploaded here. Enter the number of your the document of the incorporation. So there will be some number on the trust so copy it over here. Then upload KYC. So upload the trust certificate over here. So say now I'm just uploading any document. Say shop act. And you need to upload PAN number here, PAN card. Okay. And then enter your email ID. Enter the proper email ID because you will be getting email on this. So the email ID should be proper. Create your password. So you can create the password, whatever the password you want. Password should be one capital and this is so you can create your password accordingly. Enter your mobile number. So organization address, enter your address in detail. Okay, so you can just review it. It's telling me please enter valid PAN card number. The PAN number was incorrect, whatever entered. Okay, so now I need to submit it. Mobile number already exists. Okay, so I've already registered my mobile number. I need to enter another number. So email ID already exists. So I can. So this is my reference number. Copy this and give. And so this would be used for your further reference. Okay, so you'll get an email in your mailbox. So if I go to my mailbox, so this is how I'll get an email. Okay, so further they will approve it. Now once they have approved it, the next step would be we need to add header. We need to add a sender ID. We need to approve the sender ID. So once this is done, so in second video I'll be covering that part, how to register the header. Okay, till then you can register yourself as an entity and you can take this ahead afterwards. Okay, thank you.